Hi, my name's Andy Price. I'm a Year 6 teacher here at Ranches Primary School. I've been in the UAE for 11 years and 13 years in the UK. So my top tip number one for teachers is don't panic. Okay, I've got a quote here from Ben Rothwell from Victory Heights Primary School. It says, "The day you realise you will never do the job perfectly is the day that you start enjoying and flourishing in your teacher life." Remember to switch off, protect your mental health, and also don't work all the hours that God sends. Top tip number two for teachers from me is to try to reduce your workload. I did this last year through digital feedback. You can use any app that communicates with parents and takes pictures of children's work. You can then feed back to the children and the parents through the app using either typed, verbal, or annotated feedback. It reduced my workload by at least a third. Top tip number three for me, and it sounds a little bit silly, but you must drink water. Teaching is an incredibly busy job. I can go the whole day, we know what the day is like as a busy teacher, I can go the whole day without drinking any water at all. I got myself a container that's got timings on it, and it's helped me particularly well to keep myself hydrated all the time. It's so important to stay hydrated throughout the day, particularly for new teachers within the UAE. Okay, those are my tips for teachers to begin the new academic year. I hope you have a wonderful year wherever you are based in the GCC. Have great fun in learning, and I'll see you on the other side.